Hi friends, I had a major milestone this week and I wanted to share it with you. After 6 years, 50 plus classes, scores of assignments, at least a dozen formal progress interviews, and psychological evaluations, I was finally approved for ordination as a minister through Unity Worldwide Ministries. I figured once I got through the psych eval, I had a pretty good shot at making it all the way through. Um, it's a big step and one I had not seen coming for sure. Uh, One of the final classes you're required to take on this path is a class called Credo, where you really lay out what are your beliefs. What do you believe that would lead you down a path toward becoming a minister? And I want to share a few pieces of mine. I believe that we are all spiritual beings. I believe that we humans are spiritual beings having a human experience. I also learned in going through some pretty traumatic experiences that really propelled me on this ministerial path that we have agency over our thinking and our feelings. And in fact, we can find beauty and miracles in the darkest seeming of circumstances. A Course in Miracles is one of my main spiritual squeezes, and it defines a miracle as a correction in error thinking. And over the years, I've learned that developing miracle-minded muscles is one of the greatest gifts we can give ourselves. And, as a minister, I think we're all kind of ministering in some way or another, for good or for ill. But as a minister, it's certainly one of the greatest gifts that we can help other people to develop as well. Another thing that has always been, I guess, part of my credo, my true north, has been I believe that all of creation is sacred, all species, not just humans. And a part of my ministry that's really cool is that as a Unity minister, I am just increasingly able to raise awareness about, offer classes and talks about the sacredness of all of creation and how humanity can come into a more restorative nature relationship with the rest of nature. So this is where I'm at, and I'm not yet ordained, but I guess I really can be called a minister now. I'm done with classes and process, and that feels awesome. And I'm at this place where, my mission is to do whatever I can to help heal separation consciousness so that all humans and all beings can thrive. That's what sort of came to this milestone this week, and I'm so grateful to have been able to take that journey, and I'm grateful for everyone who has helped all along the way. I know that we are way more than bodies. We have so much more going on at the level of consciousness than we yet know, and I'm excited to be able to continue exploring truth and expansion in this new professional role. Namaste, everyone.